I've created this link tree so you guys know where to go. If you want to support me as a creator and send in tips and a thank you message, you can do so through the support me section. If you want to private message me about the course or the mentorship, it's through the Twitter section. Thank you guys.
In yesterday's Vechain update, we were discussing the key levels of support we must hold if we want to see continuation beyond 3.5 cents. So we're still on our way to the range highs over here. So we were very close to meeting it. However, at the moment, it looks like we are putting in now potentially this retracement back down to where we came from. So back into this green zone. So because this is where we're retracing to, we must find a higher low above it. We don't want to see lower lows. Lower lows below this green box. Can you see the zero fib level at 2217? We can't lose that on the daily time frame. This would signal new lower lows, and so that the move above the 200 moving average, the white line over here, this move over here is all a trap, a bull trap, if we go ahead and lose this low over here. At the moment, we haven't lost it. And so until that very moment where we do lose it, I must keep continuing to say we are going up. We are going up. Just that in the short term, this is just a bear trap, which is retracing for the continuation onwards and upwards to new technical targets. So what I'm going to do from here to there, just like that, I'm going to readjust this golden pocket over here. And essentially, this is just where we need to hold as support. So this whole area over here, we can't afford to go ahead and lose it. So this is my large area of demand from 2210 to 2487. This is my huge area of demand. Going forward, we can't lose this. As long as we are above this green box, we're still on our way to 3.5 cents. Okay, as simple as that. I'm going to zoom out a bit. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Please don't forget to bump the algorithm up. Like, subscribe, comment, and so on. If you want to send in as tips with a thank you message, just a long thank you message, and you want to support the channel, then you can hit the link tree and it will take you to where you can again support me, or go over to my Twitter and private message me about joining the course or joining the mentorship. Included with these two options is the chat. Now in the chat alone, in the last week, we've sent in 2 cryptos. They both pumped 100% for people to take profits if they wanted. If not, they can keep holding. But 2 cryptos are already up 100% in the last week. If you want to be part of the Discord group chat, then you need to be a member through the course or a member through the mentorship. Now with the mentorship, it's 10 hours of one-to-one help with me, and you get the course included and the chat included. With the course, it's a 6-hour long course with 30 plus videos. It will teach you from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader. So if you're in my group chat, if you're in my Discord community where there's over 70 people, we're all at the we all have the same knowledge. Basically, they're all learning from what I have. So they are also sending in trade ideas, investment ideas, because they all are at the same ability as me, because I've taught them to be that. So yeah, if you want to be a part of that, you need to head over to my link tree, whether you just want to support me as a creator, send in a beautiful message, very motivating, or you want to join the community through the Discord. So you just hit that Discord link, hit that Twitter link, my mistake, and then we'll get you in the Discord. But yeah, we placed these fibs over here. We've got this larger golden pocket tying in very nicely with our massive green box over here. And so all we're just reiterating the point again, because the fibs are telling us, it's telling me to tell you that this area is so key for the continuation. Now, we can go higher. Look, once we do break and meet our 3.5 cent target, we're breaking through the range high, and we've got targets of 4 cents. We've got targets of 5.5 cents. And not only that, again, we just need to remain above this green box, and we should continue to 7.5 cents to 10 cents, guys. Yes, I know we're not even at 3 cents. Louis, you're crazy. Why the F are you talking about 10 cents when right now we're dumping? Because this dump could just be a bear trap, guys. This dump could be a trap to make you sell. I'm going to say that until you lose the green box, because any dumps, as long as it holds the green box, we will be continuing up to here. Yes, it is correct that if we do lose the green box, this is no longer the case. This is no longer the case. This is no longer the case. But are we below the green box right now? No, and that's why it's actually green. Green is for support, red is for resistance. So only when as we were approaching it, we were calling for it to be resistance. Then It stopped listening to the bearish things. Do you understand that? It stopped listening to the bearish things. We should have just run up into this as resistance and continued lower. Then it would have had another opportunity to do so once we approached 2859 at the 786. Then it had another opportunity to close back underneath the green box, and no, it didn't. So this is why we are still heading towards the 1 fib level. Yes, we're correcting right now, back down to here. We just need to put a higher low higher than this, maybe even just here at the 786, maybe at the 20 EMA. No one knows. We need to wait for the daily candle closes to show bullish patterns or bullish candles, Japanese candlesticks. And for the moment, right now, we just got the signal yesterday. It wants to start retracing. So this is why we drew out all these levels in yesterday's update. So yes, in the near short term, we're coming down. We know this. But is it a trick? Is it a bear trap? Is it trying to make you sell when in actual fact we are still going to continue up to 5 and 10 cents? This is what my belief is going to be as long as we continue to hold above 0.02219. As long as we remain, let's just say 2 cent. As long as we are remaining above 2 cent, that's all the way down here, this wick low over here, we should still continue to 5 and to 10 cents. Now, from current price, if we're just taking it to our range high, that's a 20% move. Now, you don't even need leverage with that. So if we were to just pump from here, wow, amazing from current price. Now, our first target here is 46%, our 1618, 90% up when we hit $5.50. This is from current price. This is if just there's no dip and we keep going up and up and up. So about 7.5 cent, we're going to have 160% push. And then once we reach 10%, this would have been a 2.5x on whatever you're investing at today's current price. And luckily enough, we've been making these bullish notes ever since reclaiming the range low, this 5-month support. When you reclaim a 5-month or just any sort of support, you should go to the range high. So before we lost this support over here, so this is where we lost it. Before we lost it, this was the bottom. So as this is the bottom, we head to the range high. Look, it was set over here. We ran into resistance, we dropped. We failed to lose it, so we return. Do you see that? So we failed to break it, so we've returned to the bottom. Now we should start to head up. We were going to go to the range high because we had these crosses over here, just over here as well. But FTX did not allow us. And so when we lost this area of support, the bottom's no longer in. You have targets to the downside. And so we should continue to those targets. You may not meet the targets because you can invalidate it, just like we invalidated the top here. Your target was up here. Did we meet it? No. So something stopped following the bullish things, and that's because of a fundamental news event. So now we're down. We should continue lower and lower and lower. And if we come up to this box, it should just be used as resistance to continue lower and lower and lower because there were lower targets. But by simply until the moment you're getting above it, we have to say we're going down from here. Once you get above it, we're now no longer going down. I know that's so annoying, guys. This is trading. If you don't like it, you shouldn't be here in the first place. Simple as that. Nothing here is a guarantee. And the quicker you get over that, the better it gets. So if you want me to teach you step by step, again, I've got the course, the mentorship. The course is 6 hours long, teaches from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader. You'll also get the Discord group chat with 70 people. Again, I share 2 cryptos that are going 100% up in the last week, and there's multiple new cryptos being posted every day in there from people in there already. So we're all helping each other out. Basically, there's 70 people helping each other out daily. Now, if you want to do the mentorship because you think you're a bit more advanced, or you as a beginner you just want to do the course and the mentorship to get to the end goal as quick as possible, then you get 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Included is the course, the 6-hour-long course, 30 plus videos, as well as the chat, which you get free to my bull market targets. So guys, if you want to take action, hit that link tree. You can just support me as a creator anyway. As a thank you, send in a thank you note. Please do. I want to see your messages. And also, if you just want to take action on the course or the mentorship, please just go over to my Twitter. It's at the link tree as well. Hit that link tree, and then there's a Twitter button, and you just private message me there. Thank you, guys.